Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see a haul video. And this is a Nykaa haul, and I will show you what are the things which I bought. And so let's get started. So the first product which I bought is this Khadi Natural Avla and Bringraj hair cleanser, which is a shampoo. And this shampoo is pretty good, and you will find less hair fall. So this one is very nice. You can try once. So since there was a sale going on, so I bought two of these. As I told, the Khadi product is very nice, so that's the reason. So the price of this is uh, 92 for each. Next, I bought this Blue Heaven soft kajal eyeliner, which is a kajal, and this one is for 106 after discount. So the actual price MRP is 125. So this is in the shade black. So this comes with a sharpener, and this one is pretty good. So that's the reason I bought two. The next one is same Blue Heaven soft kajal. This is in the shade blue, and this also comes with a sharpener. It's pretty affordable. This one is black, and the other one is in blue. Yeah, at the bottom you have a sharpener in case you need to sharpen the edges of the kajal. You can use them. So yeah, it's very affordable. Next one is Maybelline New York 24K nudes palette. This was for 602, and this it's pretty good shades, and all these are nudes, so you can use it for every day. If you're not sure how to use it, yeah, behind they have provided all the numbers there so that you can use them. So they have mentioned like 1 2 3 4, so for your inner corners and all, so you can just check that and you can use it if you're a beginner and you don't know how to use them. And next is this Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Blush Color and Highlighter Kit. This one is a pretty good shade, and it's an all-in-one palette, so you can contour, you can highlight, yeah, it's a blush, so you can use it as a blush. If you run out of eyeshadows, you can use it as eyeshadow also. So it's like all-in-one palette. So this one is the blush palette. Next, I bought this Lakme eyeliner. This is in the shade black, and this one I bought it for 88. Yeah, so the previous blush also is for 601. Not mentioned the price, right? So this is the Lakme, and this one is for 88. Next, I bought this Lakme kajal. This one is for 56. Yes, I purchase a lot of kajals. I use them every day. So I love kajals, so I buy kajals whenever they are on discount, and I just grab them. So yeah, this was the haul, and these are all the items which I bought. And if you did like this video, please do hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And until then, bye.